Greetings, my internet family, and I hope you are well. So I tried to put up a live stream yesterday, but it didn't go very well. I'm thinking about deleting it. Um, a bunch of stuff's been going on. I've been working ungodly hours, but what I wanted to talk about was um, the Makerspace. It has opened up more knowledge and ability to be able to do all kinds of different things. And I'm trying to get behind it. They're also tied in with the right to repair. There's been a lot of talk about the right to repair here recently. And these makerspace organizations, they are behind the right to repair. Now, there's also quite a few channels on YouTube and TikTok and just about every other media outlet that the right to repair is starting to become something. And, companies like Apple, Future Motion that makes a one wheel, and what's another one? Help me out with it. There are several companies out there that think when you buy their product, they still own the right to that product to keep you from modifying it, to keep you from repairing it, to keep you from actually owning all the rights to the product. Now, you paid for this product. This is crazy. When you buy something, you're supposed to own it, aren't you? Or is the company that makes it supposed to retain some partial ownership of the product that you're paying them to use? That's crazy. Drives me crazy to think that somebody could actually fall for that. The Apple community, they're out of their minds. Apple has had 3 or 4 lawsuits put on them because of shoddy business practices, because of they won't give up any kind of schematics or anything to allow somebody to be able to fix the product. So a lot of this product ends up either in a garbage dump somewhere, at the bottom of the ocean, what have you. Why can these products not be fixed and used 10 years into the future? I mean, you're paying $3,000 for a computer, for a laptop computer, and it only lasts 5 years? Makes no sense to me. Just like John Deere, one of the largest farming equipment dealers in the world. But yet you've got John Deere tractors sitting around all over the planet that won't crank, won't work because of some kind of computer malfunction, and John Deere refuses to give up any kind of rights so someone can go in and fix it, someone besides John Deere, to be able for the man to farm. If we keep buying these products from these companies who keep taking more and more of our rights away, just like our government's trying to do, what do you expect? They're going, if we let them get away with it, they're going to keep right on doing it. Think about it. Think about it. Before you go buy a DJI drone, before you go buy an Apple iPhone or an Apple MacBook, before you go buy a Future Motion one wheel, think about it. That's it. Silver Top Flyer. Signing off.